everybody, hope you're well. If you're new around here, hi, my name is Abby, and if you're not new, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. So in today's video, I will be testing out the Maybelline Falsies Surreal Mascara. So it retails for $11.99 full price. This is on Superdrug, but on Boots it's currently selling for £9.59. It's going to be a short wear test for now. I might come back and do another or do like a comparison just to show you how it wears. It says, extend your lash reality with the Falsies Surreal Lashes Mascara by Maybelline New York. The Falsies Surreal Extension Mascara provides 36% more length and 10 times the volume. And that is because it has this like fiber technology, almost like a tubing mascara, I believe, where, you know, it kind of coats your lashes. It basically coats your lashes in the fibers, and then the more you build, the longer and more voluminous they look. And it says up to 24-hour wear, and that it is clump resistant. So for this part, I'm gonna just show you what it looks like. It's quite a thick container it comes in. So this is what it looks like. All right, so I'm gonna zoom in. And I'm gonna apply one coat to both my upper and lower lash. Oh, this looks good already. Already what I like about this mascara is that not a lot of product comes off on the brush when you dip it into the tube, so that's really good. But it is bigger than what I'm used to and what I typically go for. Okay, so right off the bat, it definitely gives a lot more volume. And I feel like it lifts. My lashes up a bit more. So I'm going to do the second one. Just put my phone light on because I'm using daylight, just so you can see. So this is just one coat. And already there's a lot of volume. So next I'm gonna go in with another coat and see. I'm just gonna apply 2 coats max. So 2 coats, you're definitely getting more volume, and it's still not clumping in my opinion. So I'm just going to put my phone light behind so you can see. So this has 2 coats now, and this is still on 1. So this is what my lashes look like after 2 coats. So for my lashes, I'd say this mascara made my lashes look more wispy and definitely more voluminous and more lifted up in terms of like the curl, although my lashes aren't that flat anyway, so they are already curly. I think that's what I like about it, and the fact that it's not clumping even with 2 coats. I don't normally go for 2 coats, but I feel like I should with this one, and it still looks good, so I love that. So because the bristles are made from, the bristles are like a brush rather than a hard plastic, they're a bit more comfortable to use than those that are plastic, I'd say that. But I really liked this mascara. It is really, really good. It definitely did lengthen, but I'm not, you know, equipped to measure whether or not it's by 36%. But I like the way it makes my lashes look. So yeah, I'm gonna see how it wears and if it bleeds. I don't think it will, and I don't think I'm gonna make it bleed because I'm not doing anything too stressful. I'm not going out in heat, so yeah, we'll see how it goes. But I really, really do like this mascara. It feels really good. So I just wish the bristles were a bit smaller, but so far, so good. Hey everybody, hope you're good. So I'm back, and the time is 1:38. Or 1:39 right now, and I just wanted to update you quickly on the mascara, so I'm going to zoom in a bit. So the time is obviously very late. I filmed a foundation review video, then I jumped straight into my mascara video, and actually forgot to show you the time at the start of this mascara review. It was around just before 6 actually when I started, and it's now 1:40ish, so about 7.5 hours, which is a good day's wear. There is one thing I've noticed, I did notice. So I was watching some TV, slept off as I always do, and at some point this eye was watering, so I just used my finger to kind of swipe away you know, the water that had been collecting in the corner, and I noticed that my hands were a bit stained with the mascara. In terms of this mascara being long wear, it is long wear, but of course it doesn't promise to be waterproof, so it's a good thing because tears will break this mascara down, so just be careful. Obviously, I'm guessing they're probably going to come out with a waterproof version of this at some point. Like I said, I noticed more of a voluminous wispiness to my lashes than a lengthening. Of course, there was probably a lengthening going on because once you apply the black mascara, your eyelashes overall look very, very obvious against your skin. So there is that, but I definitely say I noticed the volume and the wispiness more than the length. So obviously I can't test whether or not it's 36% more, but I definitely liked the way my lashes looked after 2 layers. If anything, I think next time I'm going to apply this mascara, I'm going to apply 2 layers on the top and 1 layer at the bottom. I don't know if I love applying 2 layers at the bottom because again the bristles are like, the brush is quite big, the head of it is quite big, so I found I had to be really careful not to smudge it on my lower lash line, which is harder to do. So with my lower lash line, I might even entirely just use a skinnier mascara and concentrate this mascara on the top part of my lashes, but I really like the way they looked. I think I'll definitely wait for the waterproof version and see how that wears, and I might come back actually and do a comparison with other mascaras as well, because this is right up there. I think the last mascara I tried that gave me this wispiness was probably another Maybelline mascara, I think, if I remember correctly, and that's I think the Maybelline Falsies. I don't know if that's what it's called, I can't remember. Yes, the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. That was such a good mascara. It gave me the same wispiness and volume, almost the same amount of volume actually. And like I said, with this mascara, I like the fact that it didn't take too much product out of the tube when I was applying it, which is good. Usually you have to like scrape off the excess. That's another thing, but let me just zoom in quickly just so you can see. So those are my thoughts on the mascara. So I've run out of space on my DSLR camera, so I thought I'd show you quickly from my phone. So this is the eye where I did lose some of the volume, and then I caught myself like touching my lashes just to like make sure all the water didn't like make my lashes, didn't make my mascara run. So I did lose a little bit of volume on my hands, but the majority of the mascara is still on and still looks good. So yeah, so this is a close-up. After several hours, about 7.5 hours or so. So this is the end of my review. Hope you like it. Let me know if you're gonna get it, and if you have tried it, let me know what you think of it as well. So until next time, stay blessed, have a great morning, afternoon, evening or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.